So I want to apologize. I know I didn't do a February favorites, but I honestly didn't really have that much favorites in February. I was just kind of reusing everything that I've been using and just trying out the different products that I got in January. So I apologize, because I didn't do a video for you guys in February, but I am back here for March, and so let's just get on to it. Welcome back, Candy Babes. It's your girl Candy, and if you are new to my channel, then welcome. In this episode, we are going to go ahead and talk about my March favorites, and let's just go ahead and get into the jam here. So for the month of March, my favorites has to be a lot of the things that some of the things I've had, some of the things I haven't had, and I really like the things that I've been using, but I'm using them in a different way, which is again another way of me challenging myself. So the first thing I want to say that I really am liking right now, and you've seen a lot in my videos, is my NYX Conceal, Contour, and Correct palette. What I'm really liking about this palette is that I've really been using more of the contour shade, and I've shown you in one of my recent videos where once I put on the primer, I'm actually using the darker shade to help with my under eye circles and any pigmentation. And then I'm setting that with my Cover FX, which you guys know I use to set my primer. I'm just setting that on top, and then I do the foundation. I don't know why, but when I've done this with the MAC Cosmetic foundation, it just literally helped it so much, because I've always felt that the MAC foundation was way too light for my skin tone, and by adding on the little bit of dark underneath, it kind of helped blend it all together and make it look more seamlessly. At least that's how I looked at it. And I mean, you guys can tell me, I've been using them in the past videos, so if you see my foundation done already by the time you get to the video, that's what I did. So I'm really liking this. I have also been doing a lot more cut creases, and which is weird because I have a hooded eye, and I had to really figure out how to do the cut creases with hooded eyes, because I just feel like it's kind of pointless when we have a hooded eye. And I've been using the palette too to use it and to create those cut creases, and it's just been really great. I can't get mad at this. I think this was like $6 at Ulta. Really great product. I really like this Black Radiance soft finishing powder, or soft focus finishing powder. I don't know what I was doing with my life without you, girl, but you are immaculate. I am wearing it today. It's a fantastic powder. It's very fine. It blends in very well. It matches my skin tone perfectly. This is amazing. So this is amazing, and they had a lot of different shade ranges too. So if you need a finishing powder that's gonna help if you have too much, you need to correct a little bit or whatever, this is. Now, another thing I've been doing with the powders that I've used, and I've been trying out different things with my face, is these two powders. It's the Sacha Buttercup and the Laura Mercier powder. With these powders, I've tried it several different times with either the Laura Mercier by itself or with the Sacha, and I've tried it with putting it on with the beauty blender and then putting it on with the actual brush, and this just makes me too yellow. Doesn't matter what I use, and this sometimes makes me too gray and gives me a flashback. So what I've done is I combine them together, and I am wearing it today. I gotta say, it's like a perfect match for me. I have neutral undertones, so if you are more warmer, then you're definitely going to go for a more yellow, and if you are more of a cool side, you're gonna go more towards the Laura Mercier because it has no tint to it. But for me, because I'm neutral, it's hard to find a balance of the two, so that's why I combined them, and it has came out so perfectly. I mean, do you see this? This was set all of my highlighting areas, including my mouth area today. So this, I think I found a perfect balance. The other favorite product that I like right now for the month of March is the Milani Glowing Strobe Light. And again, this is with the haul that I got. Wearing it today. Super cool. Can you just wait? I think this was the more expensive item at Walmart when I purchased this. It's amazing. amazing. I like this powder a lot. The last couple weeks and stuff like that, I've been doing just a lot of nude lips, and you already know my favorite, which is the MAC Cosmetics, the shade Chestnut. Love this thing. Like, love it. If you look on my Instagram, I do a lot of like nude stuff sometimes when I post, and this is the main one. And not even just nudes, even when I'm doing like an ombre dark lip or whatever, and I just kind of want to like a lip liner on period, I'm grabbing towards this shade here. I love this thing, and it's, I don't know about it, but it's amazing. I love it. Shade that I've been using as far as the nude shade, I have been using the Color Pops Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Chai, and this is a nice nudish pink, light pink, like soft peach kind of shade. Once you blend that in with that chestnut, it makes like this perfect ombre. So pretty. As far as one of the favorite palettes, it's also gonna have to be coming from Color Rain, and this is in their Queen of Hearts palette. I love this palette. I am wearing it again. I'm wearing this today. For the shades I wore today, I wore All Over the Lid, which is Whirl Provocative, and then for the crease I used Duchess, and that's all I did for my eyes today. And then I did the wing and the liner, guys. It was really simple, but I'm really liking the neutral tones, and their shimmers are amazing. Like, this is so amazing. I like it. So that has to be one of my favorites for the month of March. I've really been using this palette a lot. I just really love it. The colors are really pairing off, and it's an amazing palette. So if you guys haven't already, check out the haul and the swatches up here. I'll make sure to link them for you guys, but it is, oh my god, is the Fenty Beauty Sticks. I have been loving these matchsticks, and I got these a long time ago, and I haven't really been getting into it. And with my other contour stick, Blackout just like completely is gone, and my NARS is about to be an empty. I'm like, I need to use my stuff, but I don't want to purchase anything, and I'm like, I need to get back to using these. And I did use this today on top of the Cover FX, and I love it. It's still super blendable and super creamy, and Riri Boo Boo, you did a fantastic job when you made these sticks. I mean, your line alone is fantastic, but this is just fantastic, okay? Just kidding. Okay, so for the only thing that I received that was new, what I wanted was something that really does match my skin tone. And when I heard this company was making their foundation, I was like, I really need to try it, because this will be pretty awesome, because I really do want to have a liquid form of what I've already have. And who and what I'm talking about is from Cover FX. I have their Powder Mineral Foundation, and what I loved when I heard about them doing a liquid one, if you've been matched with any other shades in the past with a different, like, you know, the different powder or whatever, their liquid will match that same formula, so you don't have color matched again. Like, you don't have to redo that all over again. Their shades match across the entire line. Now, I know my ladies out there having struggles on not finding your shade, and the fact that this company decided to, like, you know what, no, the only thing we're doing is changing it from powder to an actual liquid. We're going to keep the same formula. Thank you, Cover FX. Thank you. Okay, I appreciate the fact that you thought about us people and you didn't want to change the whole formula. So thank you. I gotta say, I am loving their Powder Play foundation, guys. I'm wearing it today. It is amazing. It dries fast, and maybe I'll do like a review for you guys for the month of April so you can kind of see it a little bit better. But this is my first day wearing it, and what? I like literally almost cried, because I'm like, oh my god, like, this is insane. Look how great this foundation is matching my skin. Just as if I was wearing the powder. I got the liquid form. It's fantastic. It comes in this tube. I mean, that alone tells you, like, it already, like, looks like it would match me, right? And when you open it, you gotta twist it off, and it comes like this. It's in a nice little applicator. It is a little annoying, though, trying to, like, squeeze it out, but it's not bad whatsoever. And I am just loving this thing. This has to really be one of my already, like, I already know when I do April's, guys, this is gonna be on that list. But this is one of the things we did just get, and this is the stick. I think that's pretty much it, you guys. Side note, do you like this? I was feeling really bold lately. I haven't really done blue in a minute. And I was like, I need to do a blue lip. And you cannot do a blue lip without doing Kat Von D's Echo. Like, it's starting to get really low, and I was like kind of like scraping it just to get like that bold blue. So hope you guys like it. I want to tell you guys, for the month of April, I am going to be doing a whole makeup challenge. I got like this thing on Pinterest where I have a crap ton of makeup inspirations and I'm just like, I want to do that, but I don't have time because I want to do this, or we have a collaboration with that, or I want to do this because of the holiday, something's coming up, or something, you know, just something's always popping up to make me not really do it. And so I decided that since April's coming up and spring is here, I kind of want to do a challenge. And so I found this makeup challenge in Pinterest, and it has a full 30 days of makeup challenges that you're supposed to be doing. So I'm going to be doing that. I think I'm going to be posting those mostly though on Instagram, but if it relates to when I post my videos, I will make sure to film those to post them on there so it's included in with the makeup challenge. So if you follow me on Instagram, I will make sure to leave this up there for you guys to follow me there. And so I really do want to challenge myself when it comes to makeup. I'm all about that. Remember, that was on my goals for this year, is to continue challenging myself on creativity and making sure that I'm trying out new stuff. Just trying to making sure that I'm still in the groove on doing the things that I promise that I'm going to do with you guys, and I really want to grow and just continue to make my art and show you guys. So I'm going to stop rambling on because I do that a lot. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this up. Those are my favorites and the things that I got that we're going to try out. Look for me doing the whole glute boost videos and making sure giving you guys an update on that. Again, I'm also going to be doing the 100-day makeup challenge, so if again you need to go ahead and look me up, do it right now and on Instagram. So anywho guys, thanks so much for checking me out. I love you, Candy Babes. Thank you so much for coming back, you guys. You guys are amazing family. I do appreciate your love and support. And if you're new, then don't be a creeper. You saw this whole entire thing. I know you're really curious about it, and plus I know you really like this manga. Come on, you do, okay? So you might as well go ahead and click that. Don't head and procrastinate. Just go ahead and do it. Just do it right now. I'll wait for a minute. You see this foundation though? Like, it had me shook. Anyway guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I will see you at the next one. Peace guys. Bye.